just left the tour. We're here, not really shopping. We're waiting for our friends from England. They actually came over last night, and we're in El Corte Inglés, and it's a huge shopping mall. We were here the day before. Our hotel is right across the way, and they've got floors and floors of food and clothes and purses. You name it, they have it.
Can you imagine I got Michael in a clothing store?
I know. I got to show you what I want to buy Andrea. I want to buy Andrea that. What do you think? Does that look snazzy? I could picture her in that. Oh, yeah. So picture her in this, right? Going like a Conan, the barbarian woman. I'm buying it. The master making the drink. So he's making a gin and tonic, and what he's doing is he's chilling the glass right now with the gin and tonic. Oh, yeah. Look at that. I don't know how much it's gonna cost, but it looks good. I don't know how much it's gonna cost. You speak English? You speak English? Oh, good. Oh, nice. Look at that. You even got an assistant. Look at that. Uh-oh. He's got more going on. He's not done. Ooh. Look at that. That's fancy. Cucumber?
Yeah.
I'll tell you, that looks so good, I might have to get another one.
I'm here.
We met our friends from England. They were shopping right down the street. And then we heard about from our walking tour guide, told us about the free rooftop viewing.
Actually, Tony and Stella told me as well.
We had two people tell us about this free.
Drinks.
No, the drinks
really
weren't
good.
free, but you have to have a drink while you're up here, right? What's the name of the building?
It's the Corte Inglés.
El Corte Inglés building, 9th floor. Patacayo. And it's the gourmet experience.
Beautiful view.
Oh, I'm going to show you the image so you can catch it on the camera. And if you're ever in Madrid, Spain, you don't have to buy a drink. You could just come up here and hang out.
Cheers.
But we chose to buy a drink. Let us show you around. So you get all kinds of views of the city from different angles. It's a beautiful city. It really is. All right, cheers. I'm going to the rooftop.
Yes, exactly. Just so that they can...
Oh, it doesn't matter. The ice is... To me, that's too much.
No. You just watch. Sit back and watch. He legit knows what he's doing. Watch this.
This is chilling the glass.
Exactly. He gets the glass chilled. So, Marco, you speak Italian, obviously.
Yeah.
Spanish.
English a little bit.
In English a little bit. Any other language?
No.
That's what I think that covers quite a bit.
Whereabouts in Italy are you from?
Milan.
Where?
Milan.
Milan, yeah. So sophisticated. Italy.
Oh, yeah, very sophisticated.
Yeah.
What is it? Schweppes?
But the premium.
Oh, yeah, it's got lime in it.
Is it new? Is this new? New one?
Is that the same one you put in the Hendrix? Is that the same one? So it had a hint of citrus.
Yeah, I thought that's why I liked it always. We get in both, a twist and a slice.
I figured that.
Slice.
I like it so no, and a twist and a slice. We'll have both.
Slice.
Slice as well. Yeah.
Look at him. He knows how to do it.
What I tried at home recently, I put a little bit of rosemary.
I don't know.
No, but it's interesting in gin. Have you ever tried?
Yeah.
Only a little bit.
Crazy rosemary.
Yeah, what do you think of the rosemary?
I think for the gin and tonic, the classic lemon, slice or please.
You know, I don't even like lime. For me, the lime spoils. If
You like
it's
the
just
lime?
I have to have lemon.
Really?
That little
Lemon?
dipper- Yeah, lemon is the best. Lime
So
is,
you would think this is classic?
yeah, this is...
This is 60 of gin and 100 of tonic is perfect gin.
Yeah. Okay, Matt.